Hello, good morning, children. Today we will discuss basic proportionality theorem. Statement of this theorem goes like this: if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Once again I am repeating, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersecting the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. In figure you can see triangle ABC be a triangle, a line DE which is parallel to BC intersects the other sides AB and AC at point D and E. So we have to prove AD by DB equal to AE by EC. To prove this theorem, we have to make some construction. So join BE and DC and draw EF perpendicular to AB and DG perpendicular to AC. Now I am coming to the proof. In triangle ADE and triangle BDE, ratio of area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE equal to half AD. In triangle ADE, we can take AD as base, EF is perpendicular. So we can write half AD into EF. Similarly, area of triangle BDE equal to half BD into EF. EF will cancel out, half will cancel out. It will be equal to AD by BD, equation number 1. Similarly, we can write area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE, which is equal to AE by EC, marked as equation number 2. But we know that the area included between same parallel and same base are equal. So since DE and BC are parallel to each other and a triangle BDE and triangle CED both having common base DE, so area of triangle BDE must be equal to the area of triangle CDE, marked as equation number 3. Now from equation number 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 3 we can write area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE equal to AD by BD, mark it at equation number 4. Now from equation 2 and 4 we can write AD by BD equal to AE by EC. Since the left hand side of equation 2 and 4 are equal, that's why right hand side must be equal. Thank you.